Hey everybody, it's Chris up at Carolina Camp Works. We'll take you guys around our 2010 Forest River Cardinal fifth wheel. It's got a lot of great features. You've got a ton of storage and the inside looks just like a home. So let's go check it out. Alright, so starting up front here on this fifth wheel, you've got your hitch attachment up here. We've got one storage compartment that has your batteries and a battery disconnect. Coming around this side of the unit, you've got two slide outs. And one of the slide outs has super big windows. It's really, really nice. Let some light in. And we'll check out the pass-through storage. You've got all your water hookups over here as well. This unit also has fairly new tires on it, so it's ready to rock and roll. Nice view of those windows. Coming around the back side, we've got a ladder so you can have access to the roof because it is fully walkable. For being a 2010, this unit's really in great condition. On this side, we've got the other slide that belongs to the living room. So you've got opposing slides in the living room, which is nice. Opens up, feels like you've got a lot of space. Check out the other side of the pass-through storage. So you've got some dining room chairs in here. You've got the spare tire. And you also have a dirt devil that's hooked up to the unit, which is awesome. Alright, so let's head inside. Alright, so let's head into the living room area. You've got a reclining couch, tons and tons of cabinet space, two recliners right here, and you've got your entertainment system with a fireplace. Come back through here. You've got more cabinetry up top, more down low, and you've got your kitchen space, tons and tons of countertop. You've got a double sink. You've got an oven with range top and your microwave. And we'll head over here and we're going to check out the refrigerator. It's a pretty good size. And then you've got your freezer. Heading up this way, we're gonna check out the master bedroom. Got a nice door here that you can close so you can have privacy. Got lots of storage. And over here we've got the wardrobe as well. Nice cedar. And then the master bed. So we'll head back out this way. We'll check out the bathroom. So you've got lots of space in this bathroom as well, which is nice. And we'll turn the corner here and we'll take another quick peek. Thanks for coming with me on this tour around our 2010 Forest River Cardinal. If you guys have any questions, just give us a call or go to carolinacampworks.com for details. Hope to see you soon.